Friends, Nagina Sharma welcomes you in our YouTube channel Bocado Garden. Friends, today I am giving video in English on your demand, bleeding heart, how to grow bleeding heart plant from cutting and from seeds also.
On behalf of Bocado Garden, today we will demonstrate how to grow bleeding heart from different ways, say from seeds, from cuttings. So this is being demonstrated on demand of a subscriber. So first of all, we will discuss how to grow from seeds. Seeds has been taken from a flower already existing, and we have got 3 seeds only, and for this we will take a pot and 50% normal soil and 50% sand is to be mixed, and in that the seeds is to be put like this. There are 3 seeds, so 3 seeds I have put. After the seeds has been put, some soil from top is to be covered. Please spray some water on the seeds you have grown and keep this pot in shady area. That is all for making bleeding heart from seeds. Now friends, watch how the bleeding heart can be planted through cuttings. First of all, take 50% soil and 50% sand, and then take the cuttings, and we have taken 4 cuttings. Before planting it, Rotex or root hormone is to be placed here, so that fungicides etc. are eliminated. Pour some water in the pot like this. Make holes like this. So we have taken. After making hole, the cutting should be placed in the soil at 45-degree angle, 1 to 1.5 inches deep. So another one, see 45-degree angle, 1 to 1.5 inches down. Press the soil around this slightly. After planting the cuttings, put water in the pot and keep the pot in the shady area. See, this plant has been planted through cutting, and 4 cuttings were tried to grown, only 2 have been successful. It has taken 45 to 50 days. So now see the result of plant developed from seed. 3 seeds were put 45 days to 50 days earlier. Out of that, 1 has developed. You can see it like this. So you see the plants developed from seed and plants developed from cuttings. So this is all for this video. Please share, comment, like, and if you are new, subscribe the channel. And if you want some other videos in English version, then you can ask in the comment box. That's all. Thank you. Goodbye.